naman ng daga yung ano mo?
Yung...
Yan.
Did you put dirt on it?
No. You don't put dirt. I want to put on this.
Oo. It's not... Yeah, just... Yeah, that's a nice one.
This one.
Hello, hello, Team Amazing Jilana. Ayan, naglalaro lang si Jilana. Laro-laro. Jilana, naglalaro ka lang maghapon? Did you read your book today? Jilana?
What?
It's summer. Did you read your book today?
Yes.
How many times? How many page?
5.
5 page? Oh, okay. Nagbasa siya, mother? 5 page daw. Jilana, 5, take away 1, how many left?
4.
Galing ah. Marunong na siya nating na mo ah. Mag-subtract kita. 5, take away 1, how many?
4.
Okay.
5 ready.
2, how many left?
3.
Ah.
Biglang...
Agoy, may mumu.
No, mama. Ay, biglang tangkad niya.
Oo nga, tumangkad nga siya. You're taller now. Wow.
Okay, dito
Ay, sana dyan na naman yung mga mumu mo.
kaya na nga isuota kita pagpaandaan kita. Samantalang lang kita duwa ayaw.
Oh, it's broken. It's broken. But that's really hurt, that ball. I don't like that ball, anak. That's really hurt.
Yeah, that's actually in my eye.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, last time ago.
Yeah, but your eye still doesn't hurt.
Hey.
Yeah, that's actually in my eye.
She hit your eye and then what happened?
And the eye tired.
And then... Oh, si Grandma.
Yeah, I love practicing with it.
Is it you like it?
I like hitting the ball.
Okay.
Let me try.
I don't want it.
No, Jana, it's okay.
Mamaya na amot dun.
Jade's turn. Jilana, you can sit at Grandma's lap. Why not? Ayan, pangasar na naman si Jilana. Jade on the other side. Me? Eh. Look at Grandma and Jilana. See, who's better, Grandma or Jilana? Team, you guys are team?
Who's better? Who's better, me or Jordan?
You guys are team.
What? I think you. Well, I think you.
Oh. There's Grandma.
I did it in the pool longer. Hey, Mom, look to your left.
What?
I mean, right.
Oh, why you left?
Remember who made that
You,
cake? Like that sand cake?
you scared Grandma.
What sand cake?
Now Grandma is making your...
Right there. Remember who made that one right there?
Mm.
The one there, the one with just one. See if you can make a sand cake. Put it down. That looks so ugly. Mom, Grandma, watch me.
Ni mother ni. Call Grandma.
Mama, TV.
Tawag ka mother ni.
Watch me.
Grandma. Because Grandma doesn't hear it. Listen.
Mama.